Unlocking the meaning of egg in your coffee. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might not hear every day but is certainly interesting. Egg in your coffee. So, grab your notebook, and let's unravel the layers behind this expression together. At first glance, egg in your coffee might sound like a peculiar breakfast choice, but in the realm of idiomatic expressions, it's far from literal. This phrase is actually used to describe a situation or thing that is considered a luxury or a treat. It originates from a time when having an egg to enrich your coffee was seen as a sign of opulence or an extra bit of happiness in one's day. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us appreciate their usage and significance in today's language. The phrase, egg in your coffee, harks back to times when both eggs and coffee were luxury items, not readily available to everyone. Adding an egg to coffee was a practice believed to improve the drink's taste and texture, symbolizing an indulgence or a special touch to an otherwise ordinary part of the day. Now, let's see how you can incorporate egg in your coffee into your everyday conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. After receiving a bonus at work, Mark felt like he had an egg in his coffee. Giving up her seat on the bus for the elderly woman put an egg in Mariah's coffee that morning. Finding this rare book at the sale was like having an egg in my coffee, exclaimed the collector. Notice how the phrase is used to highlight moments of unexpected joy or luxury, no matter how big or small. While egg in your coffee may not be universally known or used across all English-speaking cultures, it's a wonderful example of how specific expressions can capture historical or cultural sentiments. Similar idioms in other languages or cultures might convey the same feeling of experiencing a small luxury or a moment of delight. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, egg in your coffee, and can now appreciate the richness it adds to the English language. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about history, culture, and the stories we tell. Keep exploring, keep learning, and perhaps find a few moments of egg in your coffee in your day. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.